Smart textiles will definitely revolutionize medical care. We support doctors and medical professionals in their diagnosis, treatment, and evaluation of data. Today, clothing does far more than just look good. It measures, supports, and protects. Smart textiles are weaving their way into medicine and fitness, seamlessly blending high-tech innovation with the art of the thread. Michael Schneider, Managing Director of Born GmbH, shows us how these sophisticated knitted fabrics are made and reveals the potential they hold. What types of textiles do you manufacture? We basically make two different types of textiles. One is technical knits. The other is smart and e-textiles, which means integrating non-textile components into textiles. For the most part, it's electronics, which is called e-textiles. In the e-textile sector, there are actually two major distinctions. One is stimulating the body, the other is measuring vital parameters on the body. This means that in one case, we apply electricity or tactile perception to the body. In the other case, we measure body signals. For example, we measure EKG, EEG, or EMG parameters. The data is then processed and applied accordingly. Why are knitted fabrics particularly suitable for manufacturing smart textiles? Knitwear is ideal for achieving one thing in particular, and that is the compression we need to stay close to the body. When we measure vital signs, we use electrodes that must always lay flat against the skin and have very good skin contact in order to generate the best possible signals for later processing. We call the technology second skin, and we can implement it very well in knitting. In my opinion, knitting is simply the best technology for creating this non-technical compression, which ensures that the electrodes fit snugly against the skin and remain washable, durable, and replicable. It also allows us to integrate the electronics as seamlessly as possible. Why can smart textiles measure vital signs with particular accuracy? Our success naturally depends largely on how end users accept our product. That's why it's very important that we manufacture a product that is as comfortable and easy to use as possible. A lot has happened in this field over the past few years. On our side, as a textile company, this includes modern machinery that enables these technologies, as well as advances in materials. Key terms here are advanced materials, innovative yarns, and functional yarns. In addition, the technologies we use have also developed significantly, particularly in the areas of electronics. Flexible and stretchable electronics now allow us to develop and offer a product that feels as textile-like as possible and is comfortable for users. You developed your own products at your Smart Textiles Hub. There we are working on our Deep Vest project, for example, for which we are currently developing a smart textile designed to help users or patients affected by post-traumatic stress disorder or anxiety disorders to better manage their everyday lives. The main application is deep pressure, which means that we stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system by mimicking a hug, thereby inducing relaxation of the nervous system. Which goals are you pursuing with smart textiles? Problem statement is the increasingly inadequate provision of medical services in terms of spatial coverage. Our vision is to eventually develop a product that, as a first step, conducts an anamnesis by collecting patient data, then processes this data further and directly proposes a suitable therapy.